Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to become a travel agent for Expedia. This is a fantastic opportunity if you're looking to start your own travel business or join an existing agency, giving you access to Expedia's vast network of travel services and booking tools. Let's walk through the registration process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to expediateap.com. This is Expedia's dedicated portal for travel agents and agencies. Once the page loads, you'll see the main landing page with information about their travel agent affiliate program. Take a moment to look around if you're curious about the benefits and features they offer. Now locate and click on the Join Now button. This is typically displayed prominently on the homepage and will take you to the registration options. You'll be presented with a choice here, which is an important decision for your setup. You can either join as an agent within an existing agency or register your own independent travel agency. The option you choose depends on your specific situation and business goals. For this tutorial, let's navigate to Register Your Travel Agency, then click Get Started. This option is ideal if you're establishing your own business entity. Once you click this, the system will direct you to the account setup page where you'll begin the formal registration process. On the next screen, you'll see two options, Create Account or Sign In. If you already have an Expedia account from a previous registration attempt, click Sign In. However, if this is your first time, you'll want to click Create Account to set up your credentials from scratch. For our example, let's assume you already have an account, so go ahead and click Sign In. Enter your email address and password in the fields provided, then click Sign In. Make sure you're using the email address associated with your business, as this will be your primary contact point for all Expedia communications. Once you've signed in successfully, the page will load and take you to the registration form. Now you'll see a section labeled Agency Information. Below this heading, click the drop-down menu to select your location from the list. This ensures that Expedia routes you to the correct regional support and provides you with location-specific terms and commission structures. Next comes the detailed information section where you'll need to enter all your agency details. Start by typing in your agency trade name, which is the name your business operates under. Then enter your company name if it's different from your trade name. Continue by filling in your address, town or city, state, and postal code. These fields are mandatory as they verify your business location. After that, enter your telephone number and fax number if applicable. Then input your internet address or website URL if you have one, which helps establish your online presence. You'll also need to provide your IATA, ARC, TLEA, or True ID code. These are industry identifiers that verify your legitimacy as a travel agency. If you have a local association number, group name, or registered company number, enter those as well. Finally, add any promotional information and promo code if you were given one during sign up. Before you can complete the registration, locate the checkbox at the bottom of the form. Check the box to agree to the Expedia Travel Agency terms and conditions. It's important to read through these terms to understand your rights and obligations as an Expedia affiliate partner. Once everything is filled out and you've agreed to the terms, click Register. The system will process your application, and you should receive a confirmation email shortly. You're now on your way to becoming an official Expedia travel agent with access to their booking platform and commission structure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.